Whoever came up with these tricks is a genius. Learning them can save you a fortune, especially the last one. It's incredible. The first one, if your house is covered in grime, squeeze a little toothpaste onto a piece of ginger. Use it to clean faucets, the bottoms of pots, and grease in the kitchen. It also works on yellowed stainless steel. It'll look brand new in an instant. The second one, when you go to buy rice at the supermarket, take a handful and place it on a napkin. Then rub it vigorously. If the napkin gets greasy, it means the rice has been waxed. If not, then it's wax-free and you can buy it with confidence. The third one, this is the safest way to open a can. Insert the opposite end of a spoon into the lid. Pry it open and turn it in one direction. Repeat the motion and the lid will open easily. This way, you'll avoid cutting your hands. Tip number 4. Stick a sanitary pad inside your closet. Then spray it with your favorite perfume. It works better than any air freshener. Your clothes will smell great all year long. Tip number 5. Here's how to really apply a band-aid. Cut slits at both ends with scissors. Then cross the strips over each other as you stick it on. That way, it'll stay on much more securely. Number 6. Put a little dish soap in a bottle. Add warm water. Add a little white vinegar. Then take that dusty fan. Spray the solution on the front and back. Then cover it with a plastic bag. Turn it on at maximum speed. After a few minutes, you'll notice it's cleaner. Number 7. A delivery person taught me how to properly open takeout lids. This way, you won't get your hands dirty or splash soup on your clothes. Number 8. Do you know how to peel garlic faster? Make a horizontal cut through the garlic, then flip it over and tap it with the knife. The skin will come off easily. Tip number 9. If you've bought too much tofu, add a little salt to a bowl. Place the tofu inside, cover it with cooled boiled water, and put it in the fridge. That way, it can last up to a week. Number 10. Don't buy apples like these. The ones with lots of spots aren't usually sweet. Instead, choose the ones with stripes. The more stripes they have, the sweeter they'll be. Don't buy this pitahaya either. If it's long and thin, and the leaves are very close together, it's usually not sweet. Look for a rounder one with leaves that are farther apart. Those tend to be sweeter. Don't buy straight bananas. It's better to buy the curved ones. When choosing a watermelon, avoid those with a very large base. Choose one with a small base. 11th. A trick for emergencies when the power goes out. Put a little rice in a glass. Add clean water. Add a little cooking oil. Place a cotton swab in the center as a wick and light it. 12th. The next time you open a package of ham, fold it like this. Then take a toothpick, poke it, and it will open right away. 13th. If adhesive tape sticks to an important document, don't rip it off directly. You could damage it. The right way is to hold both ends of the tape and pull it taut. The document will come off easily. 14th. Cut the shrimp's head diagonally with scissors. Squeeze to remove the stomach. Then pull with the scissors, and the vein will come out easily. Tip number 15. No matter how many flies there are in your home, you'll get rid of them quickly. The method is very simple. Put 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a bowl. Add a little strong liquor and warm water to mix it all together. Place it in the corners of the kitchen, and you won't see any flies all summer long. 16th. If you get gum stuck on your clothes, don't try to rip it off right away. The right way is to place an ice cube on the gum. After 5 minutes, it will come off easily. Number 17. When you remove an adhesive bandage and it's stuck on very tightly, it can really hurt your skin. All you need to do is put a little liquid dish soap on the adhesive side, rub gently for 2 minutes, and when you peel it off, it won't hurt anymore. Number 18. Does your teapot always get limescale buildup? Add ginger and eggshells. Add a little white vinegar and some water, bring it to a boil, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then pour it out. This way, the teapot will stay limescale free for much longer.